This is a cheap DIY smoke machine. It costs less than $30 to make. The pump is probably about $15. The soldering iron is about $10. And then a pickle jar and some baby oil and some old socks. Hook up the hose to the brake booster. Pump it. You got some smoke in there. It's not sealed all the way, that's why it's leaking smoke, but put it far away enough to where you can find your leak. My leak is coming from right here, from this cracked hose. But once I fix that, I'm gonna try it again and see if I can find anything else leaking.